Hello everyone, welcome back to Driver's High. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2026 Honda CR-V, a compact crossover that continues to excel by balancing comfort, practicality, and refined driving dynamics in one compelling package. Under the hood, the 2026 CR-V carries forward the familiar 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 190 horsepower and seamlessly paired with a continuously variable transmission. Whether you opt for front-wheel drive or available all-wheel drive, the CR-V feels composed on city streets and confident on the highway. Acceleration is smooth rather than thrilling, but provides enough pep to merge effortlessly into traffic. The CVT's slightly droning nature under heavy throttle is noticeable, yet it never distracts too much from the overall refinement Honda has engineered into this crossover. Handling is competent and predictable. You won't find the sharp cornering thrills of some rivals, but the steering feedback is direct and the ride quality is impressively supple, soaking up bumps with ease. Inside, the 2026 CR-V's cabin is smartly laid out with a honeycomb-textured dash insert that discreetly conceals air vents, giving the interior a clean and cohesive appearance. Front seats feel supportive on longer drives, thanks to thoughtful ergonomic design meant to reduce fatigue, and rear passengers now enjoy a half-inch of extra legroom compared to the previous model. Cargo space remains generous, offering 39 cubic feet behind the second row when the adjustable load floor is set to its lowest position, making weekend getaways and grocery runs equally effortless. When it comes to technology, Honda equips the base LX and EX trims with a 7.0-inch touchscreen that includes physical volume and tuning knobs alongside Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Stepping up to the EXL grants you a larger 9.0-inch touchscreen with wireless smartphone connectivity, built-in navigation, a volume knob, 2 USB-C ports for rear occupants, and wireless charging up front. These enhancements ensure connectivity is never a struggle, and the intuitive interface helps you stay focused on the road. Safety is another area where the 2026 CR-V shines, featuring standard forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a driver attention monitor. With a 5-star NHTSA safety rating, Honda's commitment to occupant protection remains evident. Plus, complimentary scheduled maintenance for 1 year or 12,000 miles offers added peace of mind. The 2026 Honda CR-V may not push boundaries with blistering acceleration or flash interior styling, but its confident handling, spacious interior, and suite of standard driver assist features make a reliable, well-rounded choice in the crowded compact SUV segment. Safe travels, and we'll see you next time on Driver's High.